Hey everyone, in this video we will be turning my Jeep into a cute little Christmas reindeer. In this set you're going to get 2 antlers with bows and bells and of course our red Rudolph nose. Now this is going to tie right onto our grill with 2 wires and this is going to clip into our windows with our little plastic clips here. So let's go ahead and get them on and check it out. Now our ties here to get the nose on are plenty long enough to loop through any size grill and still have plenty enough left to secure it so you feel nice and confident while you're driving around with your nose on your car. And the antlers you can put on your front or back windows depending on your style preference. This set is suitable for all cars, vans, SUVs, and trucks, and it's made of high quality materials that are soft to the touch, easy to clean, and the deer horns for the car are very durable, and these can withstand the test of various weather conditions, even through a storm, so don't worry about putting them on and driving through them all winter and holiday season long. Speaking of the holiday season, these are going to make a great Christmas gift for your family and friends, and you can even put them on your own car as a Christmas gift to yourself.